Hi everyone, this is from Hello Finance. In today's video, we will discuss on present value, future value of cash flow of a project and incremental cost or benefits. Actually, this is a case study approach. In fact, this is part 2. Here we will be discussing small cases relevant to present value and incremental cost or benefits. This is actually try yourself section which was discussed in part 1. Let's see with a case and solution here. The case is here given is Linda is interested to sell a property and she has given two offers. Linda is having a property, she is interested to sell it. She got two offers from two different buyers. What was the first offer is she was offered $58,000 and it will be paid after 1 year. Means after 1 year she will get $58,000 as a property value if she agrees the contract today. The scenario 2 is the same day, means today she was offered $51,000 and it will be paid immediately. So there is two scenarios, right? One is future value is 58,000 which we are going to get after 1 year. Another one is the value which we are going to get currently, which is 51,000. Okay. So what is the conditions is here? Linda is satisfied with both the buyers as they are financially solvent and honest. So here we have to give her an option. Which option she should start with? She should choose the buyer with the rate of 10%. So let's start with scenario 1 here. What is the scenario 1 is she was offered $58,000 and it will be paid after 1 year. Means they have given us a future value. Since the future value is given, let's try with present value and we can find out the present value to compare with another scenario number 2. So how do we calculate the present value? The present value actually for this case which comes 52,727.27. Let's see how we are going to arrive it using present value formula. What is present value formula here? PV equal to C1 divided by 1 plus R power T. What is PV? We are familiar with that. Present value. C1 actually cash inflow in the year 1, which is future value here. R is rate, T is time. Rate is 10%, which is our assumption. Time is 1 year here. Let's try with this calculation. What is the application here? Present value equal to C1 is here is 58,000, which is future value divided by 1. Formula 1 plus or 10%, which we can convert into numbers into 0.10 and power T is 1 year. Year 1, the value 1 does not make any difference. So let's see the results. Let's see what is the result here. The present value is $52,727.27. Means that current value of this 58,000 future value is 52,727.27. So let's compare with scenario 2 now. What is the scenario 2 now? Scenario 2, she was given offer of 51,000 and it will be paid today. So if she choose scenario 2, she will be having in her hand now $51,000. Whereas if she choose scenario 1, means if she is agreed to get 58,000 after 1 year, this 58,000's present value is how much? Which we arrived such as $52,727.27. Hence, which is better? Scenario 1 is better. So let's try with present value, means the current value as the scenario 2 option. And we will find out future value. The same day she was offered how much dollar? $51,000 and it will be paid immediately. With this background, let's try with the formula of future value. If we try, we'll get $56,100 in 1 year. Let's see how we are going to find out using the future value formula. There is no much different. Future value equal to C naught. Normally this will be calling it as here PV, present value, which is not actually C naught, but this, since we are receiving today itself, which I have taken as C naught. This is up to you. You can use present value as it is. Into 1 plus R power T, we are familiar with that. So what will be the case here? Future value equal to present value is in our hand now how much? Assume hypothetically in our hand now $51,000 into 1 plus R power T. 1 plus R is 0.10, T is 1 year. The result will be how much it is. Future value will be after 1 year will be how much? $56,100 if you choose scenario 2. Means if you're ready to receive 51,000 today, this value will be after 1 year is $56,100. Hope you remember scenario 1. How much was given after 1 year? Which is 58,000. Which we will choose now. Are you ready to go with 56,100 after 1 year or 58,000? Yes, normally we'll go with scenario 1. Why? Because this is better. See here, both approaches, present value and future value, has given the same decision. To choose scenario 1. Okay, with this, let's move on to current topic. Before moving to that, those as these are from part 1, those who have not watched of part 1, please follow the link which is provided in the description box. Now let's move on to case 2. Case 2 is about again the sale of property. Miss Lini is having her own property. She is interested to sell it, right? Interested to invest with a cost of 127,000 with a definite return value of 136,100 with a gain of 9,900 after 1 year. Since there is no year is given, let's assume it is 1 year. Please note that this is she is trying to invest, which was seen case 1 was sale. Now she want to invest in a property. The property cost is how much? $127,000. And she knows well this after a year she will get 136,900, which means a gain of 9,900. Now we are going to look in whether this will match with our time value of money. Right? What is the condition here? The condition is let's work with 10% rate of interest, and we have to give her what I call idea support to take decision. Within 2 ways, using present value as well as helping her by supporting to take decision using incremental cost or benefit. Let's see. What is the solution here? Since future value is given, let's try with present value to match with the current cost. So what is the present value formula? As we are aware about that since, so I will not spend time on this. Hope you are so comfortable in this part. Let's move on to the solution. What is C1 here? After 1 year, how much it will be the value? $136,900 with the value of, with the rate of, how much is rate of interest? 0.10. Hence, the formula will be C1 is 136,900 divided by 1 plus R. 1 plus 0.10 power T. This is 1. The result will be $124,454.55 will be the present value. Right. What is the cost now? You remember the cost is how much? $127,000. If you buy at $127,000 to invest in the property, after 1 year, how much you will get? $136,900. So this 136,900 present value will be how much? 124,454.55, which we arrived. So what will be the decision here? We are not supposed to invest, as the present value is less than the cost of 127,000, right? So our decision will be, we are recommending her to state that not to invest in this product. Further, let's try with incremental cost or product. How it works. Let's try with a small formula. As I said, this formula we'll be using for net present value calculation also. Very simple, minus C naught. As I said, C naught, this I have taken for our convenience. You can use it as what I call current value. This is a current value plus present value. We know C naught is how much? $127,000 plus present value, which we have calculated. We got this much, and the difference will be showing in minus. Since this is creating a loss or a cost, incremental cost, hence the decision will be, of course, do not invest. So with this, I have given you one more try yourself calculations or small case with the small applications. Please try with present value. Hopefully we'll meet in the next video. Thank you guys.